You do not need to live your life on public display. Every time you go to a restaurant, every time you buy a new pair of shoes, every time you start a new diet or exercise program, or every time you get a haircut, you don't need to share it with the world. Now, I know it's a thing amongst our youth, and my kid is 20 and she thinks she needs to share things with her friends. But listen, you really don't. Give yourself the permission to just stay private. You can enjoy your life within yourself. You can appreciate who you are for yourself. You don't need strangers validating you every step of your way. Your life doesn't have to be on public display. This is a new thing that we've started with the advent of YouTube and all these social media sites, but it is creating an internal and subconscious sense of neediness, dependency, and a false sense of self based on how others who do not even matter think about you. So you have to take ownership of how you are participating in your own crazy dependency. Stop sharing everything on social media.